ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರನ್ಸ್ ರೋಡು. ಗೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತೆ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮನೆ. ಸಂಪು ಬಂದು ವಾಸ್ತು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಐತೆ, ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ವಾಸ್ತು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರು ರೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ, ರೋಪ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ದು. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಅದು ಏನು ಕತೆ ಅದು?
ಅದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
So actually what happened, when he kept the camera, no, after removing the pipe,
first what they did? First they did camera or first they tried to remove?
No, first they kept the camera.
Huh?
First they kept the camera.
First they went the camera. Okay.
So around 567 water started. Like
560 feet water level.
Water level. Okay, then they try to keep the camera till down.
1 second. You are telling 560 feet water level. There is no indication of water now. Right now. Okay. Didn't tell me.
Okay. So after that they try to check the complete borewell till motor. So it went. After that, they told okay. Now
they saw motor.
That joint, that the pipe joint is there, no? Till there it went.
Okay.
After that, but fully not able to went down because of this rope and cable. So camera wasn't go down that much till complete motor.
Okay. Then what they did?
Then after that told okay. Anyways, after they told to install the urea. 90 kg urea we kept for 2 to 3 days.
90 kg. 90 kg.
Okay. Then after that we arranged the urea and then we installed. Then those guys came with their equipment, whatever it is. And then he started doing. Then he first initially that pipe was there, no initial pipe that was the extended one, not the original pipe. So they cut it that extended one and then started with the original pipe, which is there, this pipe.
Other pipe
Then it was started coming. In between got stuck.
Pipe also.
That it was not coming out. So what they did, they kept the what do you call that?
No sir, wait. Motor, pipe, everything came out somehow, some feet.
Some feet, yes.
Came.
So that also they are not sure.
Wait. How many hours they took the time? Roughly, not exactly.
It is
5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours.
It is around 45 minutes.
Okay, say 1 hour. 1 hour.
1 hour we can.
1 hour they lift how many feet? Roughly.
Exactly.
10 feet, 20 feet, 40 feet, 100 feet.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು
ಸರ್.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಅವು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು 20 ಫೀಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು.
ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ರೈಟ್.
So after the what he told, still I am trying. If it is motor will come, that is our luck. He was also trying so many ways. Surf excel, this, that, blah. So many ways he also tried. He told at the end the pipe will come for sure. So literally at the end the pipe will come fully without any break. Without any
Blast
break.
something inside?
This one. They kept some device inside the pipe
Mm.
till the motor joint.
Mm.
And
Motor joint.
joint where the pipe is there.
No, till end is went. Center there is no jointing.
No, nothing.
Okay, fine. Tell me.
So what are this pipe? No, this pipe is till motor.
Mm.
So that blasted
Mm. Okay.
because that pipe was not coming out.
Okay.
After that he started removing. At the end it was very heavy to come out.
Mm.
So when 3 to 4 members they are trying to pull na, so that time the pipe came immediately.
Okay.
They
But
still-
after that they kept camera again.
Okay, fine.
To
Tell me.
remove
Tell
this.
me.
So these two, it is
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್
it is
ಗಂಟ
like this.
ಎರಡು ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ
so due
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ
to
ಕೆಳಗೆ
that the
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
camera is not going inside much.
Okay. How many feet went?
It went not that much. 100 something. 100.
Did they cross the water also?
That time water also there.
No. Camera when they left inside, no? In that time, so
Camera was not going because of.
I understand. Yeah, correct. I was there. Water was there in. Water was there or
It
water?
is around 100 to 100 feet. Our water.
We didn't find the water, no?
because
As
that
per
camera
as
didn't
per
fit after that.
as per your statement, they put the equipment inside that blasting one.
Blasting one.
Mm.
They prepared some kind of stuff from the pipe.
Okay. Finished. When they did-
I
when
have
they
seen
did-
2 times water in the camera.
2 times water level.
The water level. I have
Okay.
seen 2 times.
Okay. When they did
Before 1 month.
before 1 month.
2 months.
Okay.
Pakka.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು 4 months. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದು 1 month.
Those guys came 2 times.
Now I start to tell.
Yeah.
Okay. Just listen 5 minutes. Everything recording.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
As per my knowledge, there is bottom shield came.
Okay.
That shield is coming from 50 feet gap will be there
Okay.
below the motor. Okay, you left it 30 feet only. So the shield is coming step by step high,
Okay.
but it's touched to the motor of center point. Then you are facing water not coming out. Water is there in the borewell, as per your statement.
Correct.
Okay, as per my statement, it's not filling out.
Okay.
That stone I put it.
Sure, yes.
It's going up to 400 feet.
Okay.
After that, we can't listen that.
Okay.
Okay. Then you told to G person try to remove.
Correct.
So they came. They tried simply. Try to lift, not at come. So they put the camera. They saw this went to roughly 900 feet. After that, that motor joint is we are enabled to see. Okay, but we cannot see the motor. So till end the motor is closed. So for that you put some chemical, something you put acid and all you put, it is try to come out. So they pulling out, they came some feet. Okay, after that try to do for blasting. When in doing the blasting, the pipe is more effective one. That is cut means this also cut. Which one? This pipe also cut. Which one?
Cable,
This
cable.
thread, wire, everything is cut it off.
Okay. But even they also trying to pull that also not.
Yeah. Okay. Everything they cut it out. Okay.
Okay.
So what they did, they tried to lift it. So only pipe only came out. This also they tried to remove. They tried so many times, but they didn't came out. They didn't came out. So finally, second time they put the camera. Camera itself not going.
Yes.
After 400 feet, roughly.
Roughly. Yes.
Okay. So why not going? The thread is mixing up. You are seeing it.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. This cut off only one side only. Just one place only they cut it off. Try to removing na everything get jammed.
Okay.
Okay. The tools what they'll put means they'll bring the jeep. They try to put one tool will be there. That some rod. If you keep on trying, it has to come out.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, you have to do some more time on blasting.
Okay.
If you do blasting, somewhere will cut it off.
That is.
Luckily, I hope there is no filter pipe. We are not able to see that. When you put the camera, inside the plastic pipe will be there, full end.
Okay.
Have you seen that one?
No, no, no.
It's not there. If it is not there, means successing is easy. If it is there, the filter pipe means we cannot remove.
Oh,
The bore will collapse only.
is it?
Very dangerous filter pipe.
Oh.
So luckily, as per my knowledge, no filter
No,
pipe.
no filter bro. Correct.
Then this pipe I saw is more than 900 feet roughly. I saw that that number is coming number 1.
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
Okay, number 1 I saw. Okay, number 1 I saw, this completely came out.
Yes, completely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the motor is where he struck. We don't know.
Exactly.
Okay, this is not 900 feet. But as per your statement, that struck in only 20 feet. This much only came out. Nah? So it is struck on 20 feet.
Yes, correct, correct, correct.
Okay. So now if you try also, motor won't come. This wire and that rope will come out.
Okay.
Motor won't come out.
Motor
Motor won't come out. Okay. Luck is there come. That is 1%. For that, what you have to do means you have to fill up the water. You have to insert 2 truck of water.
Okay.
If you filled up, the full will be water will be there. So then this will be weightless.
Which one? The motor.
Everything will be weightless.
Okay.
We need to fill the.
See, if you put the water, everything will be weightless. So at that time you can try to remove. If it is empty, this force won't come out. There is chances. This is very basic thing. If you see in the bucket, if you put on some instrument, it can be weightless only.
Correct, correct, correct.
So you have to fill up 2 truck of water. Okay. This is this one. Final. Nothing is possible. Nothing is possible. Okay. I didn't put this one recording.
So now
Now, what we have to do? We have to do for camera scanning. If you do camera scanning also, it will be waste only.
okay.
That's what.
Why means not going for after 400 feet. But we have to see, is waste only. Even though now is changes or not.
That also we need to see.
See, that time meant 400 feet. Now is going only 50 feet. What we will do? Okay. At least now is going full means we can't say. He won't put full length. Why means his camera will get stuck.
2 minutes, madam. Okay.
Okay. So our camera person will come. He has to do what he is doing it. You have to take one video.
Okay.
That pen drive in mobile, you have to take the video. If the video is there, we can judge something.
Correct.
Okay. So this also it cut it off. This is rope is not an iron.
If you really want that, so we can arrange that.
Yeah.
So the water.
Luckily, this everything outside. If it is inside, means the casting is 3 times charges. Now is only single time charges. If there is went down, means 3 times charges. More than 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh also will come. Now not like that.
Okay.
It's the top is everything is there, na. We'll try to do that.
So one more thing is that.
Tell me. If there is no water in the borewell, if you run dry run, it will get damage.
That is.
This is water is there, so it's not damaged. Mud is covered. If you remove the mud, you can use it. But how you can take? You got my point? How we can take? We try to pull out. See, you forgot about the wire. With the thread, 100% you have to take out. That is a rule. But it's connecting with the mud. Difficult. You put this one, what you call water, then you can try to pull out. That's the way. One more tips. If you put 1 truck of water, in that half tank is filled up your borewell, means your borewell is nice borewell. You are putting after 1 truck of water is not filling up, means you have to think out something wrong in the borewell. You have to fill up true truck of water, even though it's not filled up means you can't take motor, you have to forget the borewell. Why? Just water is going somewhere else.
Oh, okay. Understood.
You got my point?
ನೀರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ,
ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನೀರು ಬಿಡಿ ಓವರ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಇವು ಈಗ 2000 rupees ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ, ಆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ, ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್, ನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಜೀಪ್, ಈವನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್.
Okay.
वैसे ही वो ऊपर आना, ये नीचे.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಜೀಪ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾರು ಕೂತ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ನೀವೇ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಸರ್? ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸೆಲ್ವರಾಜು, ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? ಅರುಣ್. ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ?
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಲಿ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಏನೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.